Here is a question asked in JEE Advance, those 2013, 2017 and 2021. Question is the largest value of non-negative integer a. Non-negative integer means 0, 1, 2 and so on up to infinity, for which limiting value of minus ax plus sine x minus 1 plus a upon x plus sine x minus 1 minus 1 to the whole power 1 minus x upon 1 minus root x, as x is tending to 1, x is approaching to 1, is equal to 1 upon 4 is. So we will see here the solution. Now we will write this limit x tending to 1 of minus ax plus sine x minus 1 plus a divided by x plus sine x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. The power is 1 minus x upon 1 minus root x. Now we will take a common here, so this limit can be written like this. A is common, so 1 minus x plus sine x minus 1 upon x minus 1 plus sine x minus 1. X minus 1 plus sine x minus 1 to the whole power 1 minus x upon 1 minus root x is equal to 1 upon 4. Now we will see the power 1 minus x upon 1 minus root x. See here, 1 minus x can be written like this, 1 minus root x into 1 plus root x. The algebraic formula a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we will use that formula here. 1 minus x is c. Now this can be written as 1 minus x upon 1 minus root x is equal to 1 plus root x. So we will put the value of this power equal to 1 plus root x. Now thus this limit become limit x tending to 1, and we will divide the numerator, this numerator and denominator by x minus 1, x minus 1 here and here. So we get here, then we divide this by x minus 1, so we get here minus a plus sine x minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon here 1 plus sine x minus 1 upon x minus 1 to the power 1 plus root x is equal to 1 upon 4, is equal to 1 upon 4. Now see the limit of, if we take the limit of this here sine x minus 1 upon x minus 1, as x tend to 1 will be 1, and so the limit of this function will become minus a plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 plus 1 means 2. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. Sorry, we will remove this limit. The limit of this will become minus a plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1 equal to 1 by 4. Now this is 1 minus a upon 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Now this is equal to 1 minus a raised to the power 2 is equal to 2 square is 4, so 4 upon 4 is equal to 1, which implies 1 minus a is equal to plus minus 1, which implies 1 minus a is equal to 1 or 1 minus a is equal to minus 1, which means minus a is 0 or minus a is equal to minus 2. That is, a is equal to 0 or a is equal to 2. Now here is very interesting. The answer is the largest value of the non-negative integer for which the limit is 1 by 4. Now we have two values. Now see here, the answer is the largest value of a is 2, but a do not satisfy this limit, because x is, see here, the x is approaching to 1 and 1 plus this root x is not equal to 1. It is less than 1, because x is not equal to 1. It is very close to 1. So this may be fraction, 1 point some fraction. So a cannot be equal to 2, because here the largest value, because the power, the reason is power is not equal to 2. It is tending to 2. Hence the answer is, the correct answer of this question is a equal to 0. This question is asked in JEE Advance 3 times. So here the it is very interesting that this question first time repeated 3 times in JEE Advance. The question it was asked that the largest value of the non-negative integer a is here. If we compare these two values, there are two values, 0 and 2, and the largest 2, but 2 is not the answer, because x is approaching to 1 and 1 plus some fraction. So x the power is not 2, it is tending to 2. So this will only be possible if the value of a is 0. So 1 minus 0 to the power is 1. So 1 raised to power 1, 1 raised to power 2 is 1. So this will be the correct answer of this question.